Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventures. Today we're going to be doing a drop test to see which AirPods case protects your AirPods the best. Alright, we got all the cases right here side by side. We're going to be running through them each. I'll be putting the prices on the screen above and in the links down below, so if you want to check them out, they'll be down there. But first, we got this super rugged case made by Keybuds Element Series. It's a waterproof case. It's super big and hunky. Okay, we got another one. It's called the AirPods case. This one's midnight green. It's pretty slim, just one off Amazon. We got another one right here, just a generic one off Amazon, clear case, pretty typical AirPods case right here. We got one from Spigen, and they make a very nice case. I've actually been using it. A little dirty, but we're gonna be testing out, see how it does, dropping it. We got another rugged case right here. This one looks pretty bulky right here. And then we have this nice leather case. Last time in my drop test, the leather case did the very best. It held it together. But we're gonna be seeing which one does the best when you drop it off of the 20 feet right here. So let's do it. All right, and we got Catherine down below who's gonna be helping us with the camera.
Hi guys.
All right, now we're gonna be starting with the waterproof case that I just checked out right here. Put the AirPods Pro right in there. Open it up, insert them in there. Waterproof, kind of cool actually. And they lock in right here. Goodbye.
Scuffed a little right there, it kind of popped open. But as you can see, the AirPods, they're in pretty good shape. So, I mean, the case is a little bit ragged, as we can see. Some scuffs, but all in all, it did pretty well.
All right, now we got the second pair going out right now. They're this nice midnight green color. Goodbye. Ooh.
On this one, both of the AirPods flew out and this popped off. It's still slightly stuck on there, as you can see, and it got scuffed on the edges right here. Still in pretty good condition.
This is our third one, the nice clear case. It looks really good actually. We'll see how it survives. Okay, you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1.
This one dropped, the AirPods flew out, but the case held up pretty well. But our AirPods broke. Unfortunately, both of them snapped open, so this one's a little worse for wear. But the case itself looks pretty good. Okay,
this is our fourth one right here, the Spigen case. In 3, 2, 1. Oh.
With this case right here, the AirPods completely jumped out of the case and one survived, but we had one that snapped in half, unfortunately. Got some scuffs and marks on the edges. This one didn't do too hot.
This case is an absolute hunker. Look at this thing. It kind of has this fake carbon texture on it, so it looks pretty cool. And it even has a little carabiner, so it's pretty cool. And it has this little latch to open it. It's like spring loaded. Oh, except it doesn't stay shut very well. Okay, here we go. Number 5 right here, the rugged case. Let's see how it survives. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, looks like the piece flew out. Well, that's just great.
This is what happened to this case. The AirPods came out and the top of the case flew off. There's not very many scuffs.
So I really like about this case how it's magnetic and it's leather. So it pops open like a magnet, which is really cool, but it doesn't really open very smoothly. In 3, 2, 1, go. Holy!
Oh! Okay, now with the leather case, it held together pretty well. This button popped off, but the AirPods are still fully intact, as you can see, and the case itself looks pretty nice. You don't see very many scuffs.
We're gonna be doing a second round right now. We're gonna be throwing them straight in the air, how they will withstand. You start with the leather case. Ready?
Okay, this is the leather case. There is a scuff now on this side right here. The button did pop off again, but the AirPods are still pretty wet.
Next we got going is the rugged case, the waterproof one. And this one has actually a nice scuff on it from earlier, but we're gonna see how it withstands. It did pop open, which is quite unfortunate. We're gonna see how it withstands from higher heights. Oh.
This case right here, we do see some scratches, and the AirPods completely came out of this case. We can see the back here got pretty hit hard. It's super scuffed up. And the AirPods, they didn't completely break, but these broke off.
All right, next on round 2, we got the clear case. We're gonna see how the clear case withstands. I really like this case, it looks pretty cool, but it probably will yellow in your pocket over time. So that is one thing to keep in mind. Not bad.
Okay, this is the result of this clear case. The second drop. It moved a little bit right here, and one of the AirPods came out. It's a little bit scratched on the back here, but it held together pretty well. This is that AirPod. It snapped.
So this part actually broke off on the rugged case. It's not gonna stay shut. This thing is definitely toast. I really hope it blows into oblivion. Okay.
Uh-oh, the car!
So that one actually got run over by a car.
This is the result of that second drop. It looks pretty good. One of the AirPods, oh, both flew out, and it is pretty scuffed right here on this edge. And a car ran this one over, so.
Now we got the green one. We're gonna see how this one does when we chuck it straight up in the air. Oh yeah, that was a good toss. Oh, and it blew up.
This is that case. The AirPods completely jumped out. Did not survive too well.
AirPods didn't seem to make it. All right, here we go. Last one, speaking boy. Oh. Well, that didn't work at all.
This one again, the AirPods did not stay in the case, and this one snapped, so it didn't hold up too well. Here's the back. A little dirty.
That was slightly awkward. It definitely blew into oblivion there. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out any of the products that we dropped in this video, I'll link them down in the description. You can see which one's the best for you. But yeah, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe so we can beat Technically T in subscriber count. Need you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.